Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss different file handling functions, and today's class aim is to discuss 4 to 6 important functions like fopen, fclose, getC, putC, getW and putW function with its example. Because as in the previous class we have discussed, without file handling function we cannot operate on a file. So different functions to be discussed. First function is fopen. What is the work of fopen? Fopen is used to open the file in different mode, and the opening mode may be read mode, write mode or append mode. If it is read mode, the symbol is R. If it is write mode, the symbol is W. If it is append mode, the symbol is A. What is its syntax? Fopen, file name and opening mode. File name may be anything else as you want to give. Opening mode may be read mode as R, write mode as W, append mode as A. If you want to define a file structure, file as the pointer variable, because as we discussed in the previous class, without file structure we cannot create a file pointer, and without file pointer structure we cannot create a file. And file pointer is P and function name is fopen. File name that user want to give is XYZ or anything else. W means write mode. If it is R, that is read mode. If it is A, it is a append mode. Means the file is open in write mode. If R, it is read mode. If A, it is append mode. Fclose. What is the work of fclose? To close a file. If the file is open and the work is finished, we have to close it. How we have to do it? Fclose followed by file pointer. If the file pointer is P and open previously, we can write fclose P, because for secure transaction the file should be closed. What is the work of getC? getC is used to read a character from a file. One character to be read at a time from a file. getC followed by file pointer, that is declared. Suppose the file pointer is P, we can write getC P. What is the work of putC? To write a character in a file. What is its syntax? PutC variable means where the value carries followed by file pointer. Suppose the variable is A and the file pointer is here is P, say, so we can write A comma P, means the value stored in A we will write in the pointer variable P. P means what file is open as XYZ, the data will be written there. What is the work of getW? To read a number from a file. getW followed by the file pointer. What is the work of putW? To read a number from a file. getW is to read number from a file. PutW is to write the number in a file. Like getC to read the character, putC to write the character. getW is used to read a number from a file. PutW is to write a number in a file. PutW variable, file pointer. Variable means where the value stored. File pointer means in file pointer where the file is open you want to write it. We have to take example for character read write and for number read write. First, how to write the character in a file, then display. See, header file is taken, otherwise file pointer will not work. File, its a variable is a pointer variable. Then P is the pointer variable, so we can write P equal to fopen. File name we are creating is ctc. Opening mode is write W. Why the ch is taken? The character variable where the value is input first, then it has to be write in the file pointer P. Where writing P means it is written in the file ctc. So loop will be taken, but why? Because as much as data we want, we can give according to the user requirement by the help of loop. Hence why loop is taken. Getchar is used to read a character at a runtime from the keyboard, or at the runtime if you want to input character, then you have to use the getchar function. Suppose I enter H will be stored in the character variable ch. It will check, is it end of file? End of file means where? When you want to save the file and close it. As we are entering H, it is not end of file. EOF is representing end of file. Hence, ch carries H will be write in P write means it will be write in ctc. Next, suppose again I enter H after E. E will be stored in ch. E is end of file? No. E will be written. Like this it will go. Suppose we enter hello to you. All those character is written. Then we are saving the file by the help of Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z in the command prompt representing the end of the file. means end of file not equal to end of file, false. False means it will come out of the loop. Now file will be closed. Why? Because writing is complete. Again that file will be open in read mode. How you have to write? CTC, as you have given the write at the time of write, that is the file name is CTC, that file to be open and read, and the opening mode is read. Same file pointer to be used. And we are writing printf output, P should be written in small because printf is a function, predefined function. How you can read? By the help of your getC. One character read means one character is what? First character is H. It will read and stored in ch variable. It will check, is it end of file? No, it will display in the screen because printf function is used to display the output on the screen. Next character read what? That is E. E will be stored in ch. Is not equal to end of file? Yes, it will display like this. It will go till YOU. Then it will read end of the file means no character exists. End of file not equal to end of file, false. It will come out of the loop. Then file will be closed, getch will give the pausing activity, and if you run the program, enter the value hello to you, the display value will be hello to you. But now question arises, can this CTC file is permanently created? Yes. We can open the file, we can see it. Means either you run the file, you get the output. If you don't run the file, that output will be stored in the CTC file that you have created. Then the output can be visualized from there. That is the main intention of creating the file. As you are running the file, getting the output. But if furthermore you want to visual the output without running, you cannot get the output. If that output will be stored in a file, then if you run the file, the output will finalize or you will get. If you don't run the file, you will be getting the output from the file where it is previously saved. Now we start run the program. Let copy this program as I have previously written. Copy this, moves to your compiler, file, save as, I am saving it the file. Let the name of the file I am giving, suppose b1.c, and save it. Now moves to your online editor or the turbo compiler, whatever may be. Let I have to move to turbo compiler. Let's see what is the file, b1.c, turbo compiler. Run, open it, and then we have to run it. It might take a little bit time. I open that file now, v1.c. Start compiling. Suppose some garbages while copying will be there, just to make it correct. Suppose there is one bracket is missing. Please try to rectify and now run it. Suppose we are writing here F close, so there is a spelling mistake. Start completing it, then save, then compile, then run it. Suppose I enter hello to you and save it. The result will be hello to you. Now what to do? Moves to your hard drive where the turbo compiler exists, that is disk turbo C bin, and the file name is CTC. it will be there. The name of the file is ctc uc ctc, and hello to you is written here. Means there are two ctc. The hello to you will be there. It will open and give you just wait. Just you see the hello to you is saved. This file is permanent. So whenever you run the file and the file is created, that will be stored in the bin directory where your software is there, Turbo C disk, Turbo C3 and the bin directory, which draws the conclusion that what the conclusion is, if you want to run the program and that file will be run and the output will be saved in a text file. In this way, we complete writing how the characters will be writing in a file. In the similar way, we want to write the number in a file, then display. What we have to do? We have taken a file pointer, integer variable is taken, the file name is ctc and open in write mode. You can change it out. We have taken a loop here, post tested loop do while is taken, and our condition is until and unless I press 0, it will continue writing the number. It asks you enter number. Suppose I enter the number, as output you see 10, then it will take 10 will be written. The variable file pointer 10 is written in P. P is the file pointer. The file name is ctc. You can change it out. Then again check 10 not equal to 0. Yes, next number will enter. Again write, and when the 0 is entered, it come out of the loop. The file is closed because writing is completed. Again that file will be open in the read mode. And now we have to display the number. Till when we have to display is end of file where no number is exist. Get W is used to read the number. One number will read from P. P is what means? P is the file pointer where the ctc is open. First read first number, that is 10, store in x variable as integer, it is displayed. Next number 20 will read, not equal to end of file, 20 is displayed. When there is no number is found, end of file not equal to end of file, false. It will come out of the loop and the file is closed. Whatever the number you enter till 0, that number will be displayed. If you want to run this program, then again you copy this code which is previously written, which is being previously there. Just wait, I'm opening it out. You copy this code, then moves to your file that is previously saved, that is v1.c, and again moves to your turbo compiler and start opening it. Save, then compile. Just you see if any garbage issue will be there, please check it out. That is CLOS. Save it, then compile it. Then if any bracket or something is missed, please try to rectify it. Then save and run. Suppose I enter 10, I enter 20, enter 30, until and unless I press 0, it will not terminate. The output is displayed. And that file will be saved, that content will be saved in ctc. In the same way, you can open and view the output. So in today's class, we completed 6 different functions, which include fopen function, fclose function, getC function, putC function, getW function, putW function, and the program related to the getW, putW to write the number, to read the number, getC, putC to write the character, put the character. I think today's session is essential to you. You understand it. Having any doubt, please make the comments. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Those like the video, kindly like the video. Having any comment, please make the comment. And in the next class, we are going to discuss the other file handling function, which include fscanf, fprintf followed by fread, fwrite and other related functions. Thank you. See you in the next class.